What everyone needs to know about affiliate marketing. One of the new things people are getting into these days is affiliate marketing. The potential with affiliate marketing is rising, but a lot of people aren't sure what to do and how to be successful. The key to success in this market is to always learn new strategies you can implement towards your goals. Pick a layout for your site that matches the image you want to portray. You want to make sure the style of your site matches the items that are on it. You don't want to throw viewers off by having a site that looks nothing related to the types of products that are available on it. To check on the quality of the company you are considering working for, you should pretend to be a customer and try their phone order system. If you have a bad experience, chances are the customers you refer to them will have the same impression and end up not buying anything. Record a high-quality video where you demonstrate an affiliate product, then upload it to YouTube along with your affiliate link. YouTube is a great source for potential buyers, and if you provide an informative video about a product, people will be more inclined to buy the product through your affiliate link. Avoid exclusive affiliate marketing programs. These are programs that restrict a webmaster's advertising. Such programs might require that a webmaster advertise only his or her affiliates' products in a given category, or even advertise no products at all except the affiliates. This is an unreasonable demand to make, and experienced website owners will not stand for it. With the information you just learned, you hopefully have some ideas of some of the strategies you want to apply towards your affiliate marketing endeavors. Remember that the knowledge in this video only serves as but a portion of the information available to you. Keep on the search for new tips and ideas that can benefit you. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.